In front of me is LG Velvet, and let me show you how to change notification sound for voicemail on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to the more icon and then go to call settings. Click on voicemail. Click on voicemail and go to notification sound. And as you can see, here you've got plenty of options, so let me show you all of them. Then just pick the one that you would like to apply, and that's it, so it has been changed. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.